Under the cover of darkness, this thief thought he could snatch a package unnoticed, but the Ring camera got it all. Watch as he sneaks up, grabs the package, and takes off. Stay alert, secure your deliveries, and share if you recognize him. An unknown guy was caught on camera checking doors in the neighborhood. Was he looking for an open one? Stay alert, lock your doors, and keep an eye out. Does anyone recognize him? A sneaky thief was caught on doorbell camera stealing a package right off the front porch. Bold move in broad daylight. Keep your packages safe and stay alert. Anyone recognize this person?
No, it's a tissue. No, look.
Huh?
These guys were caught on doorbell camera heading into a homeowner's garage and doing something suspicious. What were they up to? Stay alert, lock your doors, and keep an eye out. Any clues on who they are? This guy rang the doorbell, waited, and then casually stole the package before walking away like nothing happened. Bold move. Anyone recognize him? Stay alert and secure your deliveries. A package thief was caught in the act on a doorbell camera, sneaking up and stealing a delivery right from the porch. Do you recognize this person? A bold thief in a red jacket was caught on doorbell camera, snatching a package from a porch without a care in the world. The audacity is unreal. Stay alert and secure your deliveries. Yet another porch pirate strikes. This thief was caught red-handed, swiping a package right off the doorstep. Watch closely. Have you seen this person before? Stay alert and protect your deliveries. In the early hours of the morning, this suspicious individual was caught on camera trying to break into a house. Who knows what could have happened if the door wasn't locked? Stay vigilant and keep your home secure. This guy has been spotted stealing packages in the area multiple times. Caught in the act once again, how many more times has he gotten away with it? Stay alert and secure your deliveries.